So the news, Java 8 release candidate got announced today. So go to the usual place that anyone who came to the workshop and did the early access with us back in, I think it was September or so. Same place as before. It'll probably be put onto the proper Oracle java.sun.com site as well. But it's almost out, so this is just basically bug fixes. There's no more features being added in, and that's due out March 18th. So start putting into your continuous integration, make sure that your code still works. Eclipse Java 8 support, I think they've got 54 days left, but they're right at the end. So now Eclipse in their upcoming version now has it out of the box, Java 8 support. Go check out Java Magazine. There's a good article on big data and also a good article on the upcoming NASForm support. And Groovy is also struggling to understand how to best integrate with some of the Lambda features in Java 8, and they've proposed some nice little closure parameter things so that they some annotations to sort of get them by where you can specify an input type. So I've got a link in here, and I'll put the slides up after the meetup. But basically, it's one of the leads on the Groovy project, Cedric Champal, I think his name is. He's got a good blog explaining what he wants to do. It's a good read. We're also on the internet, very struggling, but we're getting there. So we've got a site, MelbJVM, on YouTube, and we've also got MelbJVM.com, which just takes you to the meetup page without having to remember that long URL. And if you don't already know, we also post during the month all the news to the LinkedIn, Twitter, and G+ accounts. March, we've got 2 meetups going on, so we're going to be really busy. The first one, we've got another online speaker from Finland, an introduction to Varden, which is a web framework based on GWT. That's on the 5th of March. And then we've got an intro to OpenHFT. So we've got someone flying in from London who's a performance guru. His name's Peter Laurie.
And if you've ever read the vanilla Java blog, is the driver of that.
Yeah, so vanilla Java blog, for those who didn't hear that. If you read that, that's where he posts to. And just some thank yous. So all of you guys for coming and waiting, and anyone who's still left on Hangouts. All the ShineTech volunteers, guys, thank you very much for setting up the area and the pizzas and stuff like that. And also to the other MelbJVM organisers, David and Gordon for manning the control room here, and all the other guys who help with organising. And if you do want to come and help us organise, just let me know afterwards, and we do meet up other times during the month to plan out what we're going to do and stuff like that. So we'd like to have you on board, and it's very rewarding. Pizza and beer is thanks to our speaker tonight, JInfonet Software, who do JReport. You'll learn a little bit more about that later on. We're here at Shine, to providing the great internet stream, which we are abusing at the moment. And we'll also give away a copy of JetBrains. I have a backup plan because we don't have raffle tickets, but you'll see that soon. So please go and try Java 8. That's the most important thing. You're all here, so you're all good candidates for doing that. Because it's coming out in March, our next meetup in April will be the best one to have a Java 8 launch party. So if you've got any ideas what you'd like to do, a hackathon or something like that, then come in and have a chat. Don't forget about the meetups in March, and let's talk some big data.